Hello, hello. On va commencer un autre jeu. J'espère que ça va de votre côté. On commence un autre jeu. Donc voilà, la fin de l'ombre de la guerre, la terre des milieux, sympa. Fin assez rapide quand même. Du moins assez rapide. Je m'y attendais pas à ce que ça se finisse aussi brutalement. Mais autrement, voilà, quelques bugs. Bon, bah après, ça, c'est les jeux. En général, pas tous, mais la plupart. Gros bugs. Mais très peu dans le jeu, en général. Donc voilà. Sinon, là, le remaster Read Oblivion 5 à voir. Donc, on voit ça ensemble. Allez. C'est parti. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner. Bon jeu, bon stream. Commencer une nouvelle partie. Allez, voyons voir.
I was born 87 years ago.
Français.
For 65 years I've ruled as Tamriel's emperor. But for all these years, I've never been the ruler of my own dreams. I have seen the gates of oblivion, on which no waking eye may see. Behold, in darkness, a doom sweeps the land. This is the 27th of last seed, the year of Akatosh 433. These are the closing days of the third era and the final hours of my life. Un maître en acrobatie. Alors, originaire de la province cosmopolite et civilisée de Cyrodiil, les impériaux ont démontré leur maîtrise de la diplomatie et du commerce. Aussi à l'aise en société qu'en armure lourde. Ils sont naturellement portés. Ok. Donc, vous faites partie des impériaux nés au cœur de l'Empire. Du fait du grand nombre de villes et de leur taille, vous avez appris à vous rendre rapidement dans un autre. Ok, donc apparemment faut choisir. Ouais, après c'est pas... Monte la tête. Ouais. Oh la tête. Ouais, celui-là. Alors. Tape, c'est bon. 8 ensemble, ouais, Y continue. Ah ouais, ok. Allez, on a créé notre personnage vite fait. Utilisé pour vous déplacer, utilisé pour faire pivoter le personnage, ok. Donc là apparemment, ouais. On est...
My, you're a big one. A Nord, I guess, right? So strong. But you can't bend steel, can you, boy? You can't do anything to get out of here. And those big muscles, they're going to waste away. When the end comes, you won't even have the strength to cry for your mother. That's right. You're going to die in here. You hear me, Nord? You're going to die in here. Hey, you hear that? The guards are coming. For you.
Boris, lock that door behind us.
Yes, sir.
Un peu sado, là.
My sons. They're dead, aren't they?
We don't know that, sire. The messenger only said they were attacked.
No, they're dead. I know it.
What's this prisoner doing here? This cell is supposed to be off limits.
Usual mix-up at the watch.
Never mind. Get that gate open. Stand back, prisoner. We won't hesitate to kill you if you get in our way.
You, prisoner, stand aside. Over by the window. Stay out of the way and you won't get hurt.
No sign of pursuit, sir.
Stay put, prisoner.
Good. Let's go. We're not out of this yet.
You? I've seen you. Let me see your face. You are the one from my dreams. Then the stars were right. And this is the day. Gods give me strength. Assassins attacked my sons, and I am next. My blades are leading me out of the city along a secret escape route. By chance, the entrance to that escape route leads through your cell.
Pourquoi suis-je en prison? Qui êtes-vous?
Perhaps the gods have placed you here so that we may meet. As for what you have done, it does not matter. That is not what you will be remembered for. I am your emperor, Uriel Septim. By the grace of the gods, I serve Tamriel as her ruler. You are a citizen of Tamriel, and you too shall serve her in your own way.
Ok, que dois-je faire? Je choisis ma propre voie.
So do we all. But what path can be avoided whose end is fixed by the almighty gods?
Please, sire, we must keep moving. Better not close this one. There's no way to open it from the other side.
Don't try anything. I'm watching.
Looks like this is your lucky day. Just stay out of our way.
C'est quoi ton deuxième numéro? Pas pour moi.
Alors, attends, je joue.
Ok, mais est-ce que moi, je me débloque ton deuxième numéro?
C'est le 06 11 55
Ouais.
04 88.
Stand aside, prisoner.
Parce que j'avais t'envoyé un message avec ton autre numéro du coup.
Close up left. Protect the Emperor.
Ok, ok.
The captain's down.
Regarde ton
Protect yourself.
For the Emperor!
Putain, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Oblivion take you!
Oblivion.
C'est construit.
Are you alright, sire? We're clear for now.
C'est un jeu de guerre ou c'est un jeu normal?
Tu verras.
Sire. We have to keep...
Ouais, c'est un jeu de commencé.
Ouais.
How could they be waiting for us here?
Don't know, but it's too late to
There's
go back
trouble
now.
ahead.
Je sais pas.
Don't worry, sir. We will get you out of here.
They won't be the first to underestimate the Blades. I'll take point. Let's
C'est bon.
move.
You stay here.
This is official business. Do not interfere.
Prisoner, don't try to follow us.
Moi, c'est mon jeu de guerre avec
Mais qu'est-ce que c'est là? Je me fais bouffer par des rats. Ah mais qu'est-ce que c'est ce bordel? Mais qu'est-ce que tu fais? Non, ils essaient de me bouffer, j'ai du sang partout là. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Porteur. Alors, vers le souterrain, si un adversaire épuisé. Ah. Qu'est-ce que c'est ce bordel? Qu'est-ce que c'est ce bordel? Ah, sur le cadavre. Ah ouais. Ok. Vas-y, montre. Ok. Attention, attaque des rats. Attention. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Ah mince. Faut que j'aille faire un truc. J'ai vu qu'il y avait plusieurs trucs sur le cadavre, mais je les ai pas pris. J'ai pas cogité de les prendre. Je vais avoir un big problème. Est-ce que tu penses pas que je vais avoir un big problème? Je vais juste vite regarder. Voilà. Et là, voilà. Si tu prends pas tout, non? Sérieux. Bon alors. Ouais, excite-toi. Ah, le rat, tu veux chercher quoi? Ah, c'est de la viande, ok. Viande de rat. Pas mal ça. Et on peut manger? Il y a moyen de manger ou pas? Ok, vas-y, montre un peu ce que c'est. Carte. On est là. Il n'y a pas moyen de manger? Inventaire. Menottes. Sandales. Ok. Magie. Carte, quête. Aide, système. Ok. Si tu veux. Hop. De la viande. Oui. viande de rat, c'est pour... ouais. Ah. Coffre. Potion, soin. Alors, prendre, chercher, retour. Alors, et montre, ça doit être un truc comme ça, guérison. Potion, soin. Restauration de santé, soit même, ok. Afficher les raccourcis. Ah, ça doit être là. Alors, voyons voir, qu'est-ce qui se passe? C'est quoi ça? C'est quoi? Ça tire. Tissu. Vide. Voyons voir. C'est quoi ça? Crochet. De rafat. Ok. Or, peau d'ours. Ok. Alors, quête mise à jour, dictatiel. Vous pouvez crocheter la plupart des serrures si vous disposez d'un crochet. Ouais. Pour déplacer le crochet latéral, L1, appuyez sur 1 pour déplacer le crochet 1. Lorsque le goupille touche la partie supérieure de la serrure, un bruit métallique se retentit. Ok. Appuyez alors sur A. Ok, la serrure s'ouvrira une fois. On va voir ça hein, sur le temps. Parce que là, sur le coup, ça me dit rien. Allez. Ah, vas-y montre. Et c'est ça en fait. Alors. Ah ouais, ok. Ouais, excite-toi tout seul, hein, si tu veux. Arc en fer. Et flèches. On peut prendre l'arc en flèche? Non? Arc rouillé, arc en fer. Ah ouais. Le gourdin c'est pas mal. La hache aussi, c'est ça. Je préfère la hache. On va prendre les flèches en même temps. On va bien voir. Bon. Ouais, t'aurais pu le prendre avant, mais bon, c'est pas grave. Couteau, crochet. Ok. Ça, il me le faut. C'est un peu... Ouais, ça fait bizarre. Bref. Inventaire. Hache de guerre en fer, hache de guerre en fer rouillé. 97. Ça c'est le mieux. Il y avait un... J'ai vu qu'il y avait un bouclier. Bouclier. Chemise, non? Ouais, rhabille-toi. Cuirasse. Ok. Hop, hop. Mais pour sauter. Ouais. Ah, pour sauter, c'est là. Alors, j'aime hache de guerre 100. Prix bien parfait, ok. Bâton. Ça se pète pas. Non. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'il y a à faire? Non, ça se pète pas, ça. Ok. Grotte naturelle, ok. Mais encore. Égout de la prison impériale. Voyage impossible. Le rouge, c'est ça. Bon.
The Emperor until help arrives. Help? What makes you think help will get here before the world is end? Here they come again! We need to get the Emperor out of here.
You thought we'd go down easy?
For the Marines and the Emperor!
Oblivion take you.
I think that was all of them. Let me take a look around.
Have you seen the prisoner?
Do you think he followed us? How could he?
Sire, we have to go now.
Not yet. Let me rest a moment longer.
Your Majesty, we need to keep moving.
Not yet. Let me rest a moment longer.
Damn it! It's the prisoner again! Kill him!
That's not. Don't say I didn't warn you.
No, he is
For
not.
say I
the
didn't warn
Marines and the Emperor!
He must
Don't
help.
say I
For
didn't
the
warn you.
Marines!
As you wish, sire.
Eh mince.
Come close.
De quoi? Attends. Mais non, c'est pas celle-là de sauvegarde qu'il fallait. Ah mince. Je me suis chié sur... Pardon. Eh bien je peux pas. Allô? Oh là là. Non, ça, je sais pas, mais ça n'a pas l'air de me plaire. Voyons voir. On va faire comme ça. Ce qui est embêtant. préféré... Ouais, faut faire attention parce que là... Je suis allé par là où il fallait pas. Ouais, c'est pas cool. Ouais, j'aurais dû... Après, je trouve que sincèrement... Alors... Ah ouais, mais fallait pas les couper. Ça fait chelou, mais bon, qu'est-ce que tu veux que je te dise? Alors, heureusement on n'était pas loin, mais...
Protect the Emperor until help arrives.
Help? What makes you think help will get here before more of those bad
Here they come again.
Come with us.
We need to get the Emperor out of here.
You thought we'd go down easy?
Oblivion take you.
Do your worst. Turn them down! You'll never take me down.
Come with us.
Damn it, it's that prisoner again. The Emperor may trust you, but I don't. Stay out of our way.
Bon, allez.
No.
Oh, he is not one of them. He can help us. He must help us.
As you wish, sire.
They cannot understand why I trust you. They've not seen what I've seen. How can I explain? Listen, you know the Nine, how they guide our fates with an invisible hand. I've served the Nine all my days, and I chart my course by the cycles of the heavens. The skies are marked with numberless sparks, each a fire, and every one a sign. I know these stars well, and I wonder, which sign marked your birth?
Alors, choisissez votre signe astrologique.
The signs I read show the end of my path. My death, a necessary end, will come when it will come.
Ok.
Your stars are not mine. Today the warrior shall prove a stalwart companion when fortune fades. My dreams grant me no opinions of success. Their compass ventures not beyond the doors of death. But in your face I behold the sun's companion. The dawn of Akatosh's bright glory may banish the coming darkness. With such hope, and with the promise of your aid, my heart must be satisfied.
Ok, on verra. Vous n'avez pas peur.
No trophies of my triumphs precede me, but I have lived well, and my ghost shall rest easy. Men are but flesh and blood. They know their doom, but not the hour. In this I am blessed to see the hour of my death, to face my apportioned fate, then fall.
Ok.
I go to my grave. A tongue shriller than all the music calls me. You shall follow me yet for a while. Then we must part.
You may as well make yourself useful. Here, carry this torch and stick close. We're the Emperor's bodyguards. Our job is to get him out of situations like this. Although I admit, things are not going according to plan. We're the Emperor's Although I admit, things are not going according to plan. My job is to make sure the Emperor gets out of here alive, and I intend to do it. Stick close and let us do our job, and you'll be all right.
Ok.
God's blood.
This one's mine!
Glenroy, over here!
Capuche. Ah ouais, tu le mets tout nu.
Die, you
The Emperor's in danger!
This can only lead to your death. My guardians are sworn to protect me.
The Emperor!
Hold up. I don't like this. Let me take a look.
Come with us. Your destiny is bound up with mine, and with the fate of Tambriel itself.
Looks clear. Come on. We're almost through to the sewers.
What about that side passage back there?
Worth a try. Let's go.
It's a dead end. What's your call, sir?
They're behind us. Wait here, sire.
Wait here with the Emperor. Guard him with your life.
Watch it for the Emperor! That's the best you can do! You're lucky I like it. Otherwise, that's not smart. For the You're lucky I like it. Otherwise,
I can go no further. You alone must stand against the Prince of Destruction and his mortal servants. He must not have the Amulet of Kings. Take the amulet, give it to Joffrey. He alone knows where to find my last son. Find him and close shut the jaws of oblivion.
Get over it.
Stranger, you chose a bad day to take up the cause of the Septums.
You thought it would go down easy?
Oh,
Oblivion take you.
Amulet of King.
Talos, save us. We failed. I failed. The Blades are sworn to protect the Emperor, and now he and all his heirs are dead. The amulet. Where's the Amulet of Kings? It wasn't on the Emperor's body. Strange. He saw something in you. Trusted you. They say it's the dragon blood that flows through the veins of every septum. They see more than lesser men. The Amulet of Kings is a sacred symbol of the Empire. Most people think of the red dragon crown, but that's just jewelry. The amulet has power. Only a true heir of the blood can wear it, they say. He must have given it to you for a reason. Did he say why? Joffrey, he said that? Why? Nothing I ever heard about. Joffrey would be the one to know. He's the Grand Master of my order. Although you may not think so to meet him, he lives quietly as a monk at Waynon Priory, near the city of Coral. First, you need to get out of here. Through that door must be the entrance to the sewers, past the locked gate. That's where we were heading. It's a secret way out of the Imperial City. Or it was supposed to be secret. Here, you'll need this key for the last door into the sewers. There are rats and goblins down there. But from what I've seen of you, I'm guessing you're an experienced knight. Am I right?
Dictaciel, quête terminée. Vous devez maintenant choisir votre classe. Les compétences principales d'une classe commencent avec une valeur supérieure.
I thought so. A few rats and goblins won't give you any trouble. You must get the amulet to Joffrey. Take no chances, but proceed to Waynon Priory immediately. Got it? Good. The Emperor's trust was well placed. I'll stay here to guard the Emperor's body and make sure no one follows you. You'd better get moving. May Talos guide you.
pouvez modifier votre personnage avant de quitter les égouts. L'école de la destruction comprend des sorts qui détériorent les âmes et les armures et les font casser plus rapidement. Ok. C'est bon, on sort des égouts là. Ok. Voyons voir. Dictatiel, la flèche rouge sur votre boussole indique la direction du prieuré de Wynn. Ok. Pour vous y rendre, suivez simplement la boussole ou utilisez la carte du monde. Si vous souhaitez atteindre votre destination instantanément, vous pouvez aussi partir dans n'importe quel endroit pour explorer le monde comme égout de la prison de... Ok. Donc, voyons voir l'inventaire. Donc, masse de fer. Ok. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Ah mais non. Donc ça c'est bon, viande. Vas-y montre. Couteau, tatin, crochet, marteau de réparation. Ok. Et là... Alors attends. Je voulais voir la carte. Les quêtes. Remettre l'amulette. Je dois me rendre... Ah ouais. Ok. Belle vue. Sortie nord des égouts. Peau de loup. pas mauvais le crabe. C'est pas mon kiff spécialement, mais c'est pas mauvais. Y'a rien à casser. Ok. C'est pas bon ça. On n'est plus très loin. À la recherche de champignons, quoi. Qui c'est qui aime les gros champignons? Écurie, ok. Alors, remettre l'amulette. Quête mise à jour. Me voilà au prieuré. Trouvons Joffre pour lui remettre la... Ok. Où c'est qu'il est? Jojo. Jojo. Jojo.
If you'll excuse me, I'm the shepherd here. Eranor's the name, and this is Waynon Priory. I'd like to learn more about spellcasting. Might have to head over to the Mages Guild and see if they're accepting new members. I'd like to learn more. If he's not sleeping or eating, he'll be fussing with his books, I reckon, over in the Priory House.
Okay.
I'm through talking to you.
What? Welcome to Waynon Priory, a monastic retreat dedicated to Talos and the Nine Divines. I'm Prior Mayborough, head of our community, and responsible for all our religious and secular affairs. Waynon Priory is a monastery devoted to the praise and worship of Talos and the Nine Divines. Brother Pioneer, Father Joffrey, and I are members of the Order of Talos. Eranor, a lay brother, tends after the sheep and our little farm. I'm through talking to you.
Ok. Bon, alors où c'est qu'il est? Non, on ne vole pas. Vous ne pouvez pas dormir de quelqu'un d'autre, ok? C'est vrai.
If you'll excuse me, I don't have time for you right now, or ever. Oh, hello.
Non, allez. Bon, normalement, il est là. Ouais.
What is it now? Go on.
Ah non.
I ask myself, do I like you enough to tell you about this? Enough talk.
Bon, ben alors.
What is...
Ah mince. C'est pas lui? Attends, je crois que j'ai fait une faille. Il était là, non?
Oh, hello.
Welcome, good citizen. I'm Brother
Ah, non, c'est pas
Piner,
le même.
and this is Wayland Priory, a monastery. Can I help you? Oh, yes. He'll be in the Priory House somewhere. Things go from bad to worse nowadays. Priests murdered on the chapel altar. Oh! What next? Aye.
Vous êtes quelque part dans le prieuré, ok. Oui, je veux bien. Normalement c'est pas bon. Bon, où c'est qu'il est, Jean Reno là? En fait j'y étais déjà, c'est pas... Où c'est qu'il est?
How do you do?
Mais ça va, mais... Bon, lui, il doit savoir, c'est pas possible.
I'm the shepherd here. Eranor's the name, and this is Waynon Priory. If he's not sleeping or eating, he'll be fussing with his books, I reckon, over in the Priory House. Bye.
c'est qu'il est? Ok.
Greetings.
May I help you?
Non, non. C'est bien ça, hein. Je dis pas de bêtises. Hein. C'est qu'il est. S'il n'est pas en train de manger...
What is it now?
Je suis en train de chier un truc. Où est-il? Oui, c'est bon, on le sait que c'est là. Mais donc il est là.
What can I do for you?
Je veux savoir où est Joffre.
The Emperor's elite knights. They dedicate themselves to Talos above and the Septims here on Earth. The loss of the Emperor must be a terrible blow to them. Some words should be shared only by friends. Some words should be shared only by friends. Our order works to spread the teachings and worship of the divine Talos. Surely you have heard of us. If not, I invite you to spend some time in our fine library. All are welcome here.
Bibliothèque,
The
oui.
Priory is a chapter house of the Order of Talos. And with the last Septim Emperor dead and all his heirs, Tiber Septim is the god and patron saint of our order. And now his dynasty has come to an end. It's very painful. I was just here reading the Black Horse Courier about the assassination and looking through A Short Life. Uriel was an old man, a good man and a good emperor. Why would anyone want to kill him? And all his sons? Bye.
Ouais, les livres, oui, oui.
How do you do? Yes? Like members of my order, the Blades are devoted to the divine Talos. We honor them for their dedication and devotion. We are a monastic order devoted to divine Talos, who was the mortal Tiber Septim, the founder of the Empire.
Okay.
Farewell.
Oh, mais il est là. Ouais.
I'm Brother Joffrey. What do you want?
Je l'avais même pas. Oh là là.
This cannot be. No one but the Emperor is permitted to handle the amulet. Let me see it. By the Nine. This is the Amulet of Kings. Who are you? How did you get this? What do you know of the Emperor's death? As unlikely as your story sounds, I believe you. Only the strange destiny of Uriel Septim could have brought you to me carrying the Amulet of Kings. The Prince of Destruction he referred to is none other than Mehrunes Dagon, one of the lords of the demonic world of Oblivion. The Emperor's words, "Close shut the jaws of Oblivion," certainly suggest that he perceived some threat from Oblivion. But all the scholars agree that the mortal world is protected from the Daedra of Oblivion by magical barriers. I'm not sure. Only the Emperors truly understand the meaning behind the rituals of coronation. The Amulet of Kings is ancient. Saint Alicia herself received it from the gods. It is a holy relic of great power. When an emperor is crowned, he uses the amulet to light the dragon fires at the Temple of the One in the Imperial City. With the emperor dead and no new heir crowned, the dragon fires in the temple will be dark, for the first time in centuries. It may be that the dragon fires protected us from a threat that only the emperor was aware of.
Okay.
I am one of the few who know of his existence. Many years ago, I served as captain of Uriel's bodyguards, the Blades. One night, Uriel called me into his private chambers. A baby boy lay sleeping in a basket. Uriel told me to deliver him somewhere safe. He never told me anything else about the baby, but I knew it was his son. From time to time, he would ask about the child's progress. Now, it seems that this illegitimate son is the heir to the Septim throne, if he yet lives. His name is Martin. He serves Akatosh in the chapel in the city of Kvatch, south of here. You must go to Kvatch and find him at once. If the enemy is aware of his existence, as seems likely, he is in terrible danger. And please, let me know if there's anything you need. My resources here are limited, but I will help in any way I can. The coronation of each new emperor is sealed when he uses the Amulet of Kings to light the dragon fires in the Temple of the One. The dragon fires of Akatosh remain lit until the death of the emperor. His successor then lights them anew upon ascending to the throne. With Emperor Uriel dead and no successor crowned, the Temple of the One will be dark for the first time in centuries.
Okay.
I keep a few things here in my chest to resupply traveling blades. Help yourself to whatever you need.
Bon, on va tout prendre, hein. Trouver l'héritier. Ok. Ça, rendre la minette, c'est bon. Inventaire.
Alors, bot. Ok. Cuirasse en cuir. Ok. Bon, on va voir. On va voir ça. Arc, hop. Flèche. Il n'y a pas de bouclier? Ah si. Ok.
Your first priority now should be to find Martin and bring him back here.
Ok.
It will be safest here with me. When you return with Martin, we will figure out our next move.
Ok.
Waste no time. You must find Martin before the enemy does.
Bon, bah écoutez, on va arrêter là pour la première. Je pense qu'on va devoir prendre un cheval. Ok. Ok. Hop, hop. Donc là, tu vois, 1900. Il faut aller jusque là-bas. Je pense que le mieux, c'est de prendre un cheval.
Good evening. Freeze! You won't get away with this!
Vas-y, montre. Alors, comment on le chevauche là? Ah ouais. Aïe. Ah ouais, toi t'es comme ça. On va aller chercher. Déjà voir. Je
Je voulais tester le cheval vite fait. Si ça allait vite. Heureusement que c'est pas à pied parce qu'alors, ouais, mais. Et encore. C'est quoi ça? Faire le tour, je crois, non? Apparemment. Mais pourquoi tu fais ça? Je sais pas pourquoi, chaque fois j'appuie sur le bouton. Lâche-nous. Lâche-nous la grappe, hein. Bon alors le château, le château, le château. Paye ton château. Pas par là.
faut sortir du cheval. Alors, un expert en améliorer tous les deux peut réparer les objets au-delà de... et améliorer... Ok. C'est un peu chaud.
What's it like out there? We were beginning to fear we were the only survivors.
Brother Martin?
Yes, he's right over there. He led a group of us here during the confusion of the attack. We owe him our lives.
You too.
How did you get in here? What are you doing here? Martin. He's back there, looking after the other survivors. Good day.
Greetings, traveler. What do you seek?
Brother Martin?
Yes, he's right over there. He led a group of us here during the confusion of the attack. We owe him our lives. Take care.
Have you brought help? We've been trapped here since the Daedra overran the city. Of course I'm in danger, but I'm needed here. I can't leave. I assume you didn't risk your own life to come here to tell me something I already know. Who are you, and what do you want? Yes, I'm a priest. Do you need a priest? I don't think I'll be much help to you. I'm having trouble understanding the gods right now. If all this is part of a divine plan, I'm not sure I want to have anything to do with it. What plan? What are you talking about? I prayed to Akatosh all through that terrible night, but no help came. Only more Daedra. What can you possibly know that would help me make sense of this? Emperor Uriel Septim? You think the Emperor is my father? No, you must have the wrong man. I am a priest of Akatosh. My father was a farmer. An entire city destroyed to get at me? Why? Because I'm the Emperor's son? I don't know. It's strange. I think you might actually be telling the truth. What does this mean? What do you want from me? No. I'm sorry, but even if what you say is true, I won't abandon these people to their fate. I'll go with you when we can all leave here together. It isn't that I don't believe you, but I won't go with you until I know everyone can leave here safely. We've been through too much together already for me to just abandon them to their fate.
Oui, mais c'est bon, qu'est-ce que tu veux là? Je dois essayer de trouver de l'aide dans le camp à l'extérieur de Crash pour secourir Martin et les autres. l'extérieur. Ok. Je vais voir. Je dois trouver de l'aide à l'extérieur, ok. Apparemment, il faut qu'on ressorte.
Stand back, civilian. This is no place for you. Get back to the encampment at once. We lost the damn city. That's what happened. It was too much. Too fast. We were overwhelmed. Couldn't even get everyone out. There are still people trapped in there. Some made it to the chapel, but others were just run down in the streets. The Count and his men are still holed up in the castle. And now we can't even get back into the city to help them. With that damned Oblivion Gate blocking the way. The only thing we can do, we'll try to hold our ground, that's what. If we can't hold this barricade, those beasts could march right down and overrun the encampment. I have to try and protect the few civilians that are left. It's all I can do now. You want to help? You're kidding, right? If you're serious, maybe I can put you to use. It'll likely mean your death, though. Are you sure? I don't know how to close this gate, but it must be possible, because the enemy closed the ones they opened during the initial attack. You can see the marks on the ground where they were. With the great gate right in the middle. I sent men into the gate to see if they could find a way to shut it. They haven't come back. If you can get in there, find out what happened to them. If they're alive, help them finish the job. If not, see what you can do on your own. The best I can say is good luck. If you make it back alive, we'll be waiting for you. You mean the priest? Last I saw him, he was leading a group towards the chapel of Akatosh. If he's lucky, he's trapped in there with the rest of them, at least safe for the moment. If he's not, good luck. It's a brave thing you're doing. That's the best you can do! Why won't you die? This is the part where you fall down and bleed to death.
Bon alors, trouver l'héritier. D'après Saint-Nain, Martin se trouverait avec d'autres habitants. Mais trouver l'héritier, ça y est, je l'ai fait. Oh là là. J'ai parlé avec.
Enfin, pas me dire qu'il a fait un bug encore. Bon, de toute façon, on va arrêter là. Assez, bref, c'est pas trop... Lendra. Non. C'est qui les stompes? Bon, il est parti là ou quoi?
It isn't that I don't believe you, but I won't go with you until I know everyone can leave here safely. We've been through too much together already for me to just abandon them to their fate.
Oui, oui, non, mais ça c'est bon. Bon. Cravache. Cravache. C'est ça en fait, hein. Ouais, bon, on verra. Donc, ben, on s'arrête là. On va faire une sauvegarde, voir, quand même, au cas où. Pour la première, c'est déjà pas mal. Voilà. Allez, merci d'avoir regardé. Et puis, eh ben, à la suite. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner.